Hey, you traders! I hope everyone had a great day. It's a little bit late. It's 10:30 nearly on Wednesday. We're into the New York session. I've only got the one trade on still, New Zealand dollar sell trade, and the penny stock stuff. To be honest, there's no great setups, and nothing's really meeting my system parameters of So I have certain rules, and none of them really are in play. So I'm just going to let things go. MGTI was definitely an interesting one. Didn't play it though, so anyway, back to Forex stuff. We're 84 months into this test. It's pretty active. Last night we had 3 trades. We had one cancelled trade because it didn't trigger after 2 candles. It aggressively retraced, and then I had a buy trade that was a losing trade, and I had a sell trade, which I think was a little aggressive. It was just here. No, pardon me. It was there. It didn't crack. So anyway, we'll keep the analysis for the weekends. 4.17% return, 55% win rate. So get that out of there. Get the calculator up. Okay, so we'll go to 86 months. I'm just chugging along. The returns aren't great, but it's just one pair. And sorry guys, I'll go to. So I've had a bit of a gap. We've closed that gap. Okay, I'm gonna need some water. Oh, that's much better. Okay. Straight off the bat, I would say, to me, definitely a buy trade is more on the cards currently, just with this price action. We're going to try not to be too distracted, but MGTI is, definitely interesting. Fading a little bit, it nearly hit $4. I do the penny stock stuff because this system that I have is a little bit slow moving, so it gives me a lot of free time in the evening. So one thing I like to look for is for a buy. The 55-day moving average is over the 200-day, which it is. Okay. The main concern really is resistance here. So we get the line graph. I'm going to draw that in. That's nearly formed, really. It's not an exact science. I call it a zone, really, but it's definitely attempted and failed to get through. So if we get through that, then I'll start monitoring it a little more heavily. We're at 84.88 months processed. So this is really where you have to be patient and wait, and then the setup needs to be managed so it meets the rules. It's thinking about it, but it's just no. So this is just a fake out. I mean, if it breaks down considerably, then I'd be interested. Yeah, okay. So here's what's going on. That's not gone down to that yet. I just see it popping. Once it hits this, it's just going to pop back up. So we'll just let it go. Pardon me, that's my neck. And to my Instagram followers that found the link on my my recent post earlier this evening, welcome if you are a new viewer. I don't get a lot, and it's difficult to excite people with backtesting, but this is what I do every night just to perfect things. And I'm far from perfect. Okay, so like I thought, it really wasn't. I really looked for this. Okay, but now it's back on the up. So we'll refer to that resistance zone. Okay. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty stubborn. We've had a few touches, and it's just not wanting to. The more it hangs around here, it's the more indicative of a move, a strong move up or down. That was probably it. See, this is not. I don't like that. It's an enormous candle. The problem is it's very extended. So typically the market will reverse a little bit, but I'm gonna let it come down. Oh, again, it doesn't want to do that. It doesn't really. Floating sideways is okay. Alright, that's done. Alright guys, so no trades this session. I mean, this one, I mean, it would have been a winner, because the problem with this is that your stop loss is very far down. So it really has to do a lot. So, yeah, no trade there, guys. But not the end of the world. It was pretty active last night with trades. So, it's just one of these things. You don't get trades all the time. So, that's just trading. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I'll upload it straight away. And have a great rest of your Wednesday. Bye.